Hi car enthusiast, welcome to my YouTube channel The Car News. Today we are diving into the deep look at all new the 2024 Ferrari SF90 XX. This limited edition car offers a desirable blend of aerodynamics and electronics, which is one of many reasons both the coupe and Spider convertible are already sold out. The 2024 Ferrari SF90 XX isn't just a car, it's a rolling artwork, a symphony of speed and elegance, a hypercar that pushes the boundaries of both technology and automotive beauty. Let's delve into its luxurious essence, exploring its opulent features, head-turning exterior, and the price tag that matches its exclusivity. Ferrari has unveiled a more extreme edition of its SF90 supercar, the SF90 XX, intended to blur the lines between a racing car and a grand tourer. More horsepower has been squeezed from the car's plug-in hybrid powertrain, and Ferrari claims a 0 to 62 mph time that's 0.2 seconds quicker than the SF90's, which would put it below the 2.0 second mark to 60 mph. Both a Stradale coupe and a Spider convertible will be built, but in limited numbers. Both body styles are already sold out. Against the backdrop of the famed Pista di Frano racetrack, Ferrari has launched its latest performance icon, the SF90 XX, which invokes the double X moniker that's typically applied to the brand's most high-performing track-only models. Lighter, more powerful, and with revised aerodynamics, the special edition SF90 is the first 20 variant that's street-legal and sits at the extreme edge between a racing car and a road-going Ferrari sports car. A higher level of performance, the SF90 XX models are powered by the same plug-in hybrid powertrain as the standard model, which comprises a twin-turbocharged V8 engine and 3 electric motors. But for the SF90 XX, Ferrari engineers have tweaked the twin-turbo V8 engine to squeeze more power out of it. The V8's inlet and exhaust ports have been polished, new pistons have been swapped in, and the compression ratio has increased. Peak power is 786 horsepower, an increase of 17 horsepower. Combined with a new extra boost feature for the electric motors, total system output is 1016 horsepower, a gain of 30 horsepower. Extra boost is limited to the qualified drive mode and works to quickly get the car back up to speed upon exiting a corner. The feature is actuated when the driver floors the throttle and can be used up to 30 times before the battery is depleted. When not in qualify mode, the SF90 XX should still be able to drive for about 9 miles on battery power alone. Limited production, only 799 coupes and 599 Spiders will grace the roads, making the SF90 XX a true collector's item. Bespoke craftsmanship, every inch is meticulously crafted with the finest materials and attention to detail, reflecting Ferrari's heritage. Luxurious features: lightweight, performance-focused interior, carbon fiber accents and Alcantara upholstery create a lightweight yet luxurious cabin. Customizable digital gauges, tailor the instrument cluster to your preferences, displaying vital information in a way that suits your driving style. Premium audio system, immerse yourself in a concert of sound with a high-fidelity audio system from a renowned brand like Burmester. Climate control tailored to comfort, advanced climate control ensures optimal comfort for both driver and passenger, regardless of the track's heat. Exterior design. Aggressive aerodynamics, the sculpted bodywork channels air for optimal downforce, while the fixed rear wing makes a bold statement of performance. Long tail design, a stunning extension of the rear adds a touch of classic Le Mans racer elegance. Exposed carbon fiber, glimpses of bare carbon fiber throughout the car accentuate its lightweight construction and racing DNA. Choice of coupe or Spider, experience the open-air thrill of the Spider or the sleek, closed cabin focus of the coupe. Interior design. Speaking of the interior, Ferrari has stripped out carpeting and created new monocoque bucket seats made from carbon fiber to save weight. Although they appear to be fixed, the seats are adjustable, relying on cleverly integrated elastic trim materials to maintain the fixed back look. The center console also sports less material, and rather than leather or plastic it's covered in a lovely matte finished carbon fiber. The 8-speed transmission's chrome gear selector has been moved forward on the center console, and the power window switches have been relocated further back. Price: steep but exclusive. Be prepared to shell out a cool $890,000 for the coupe and $995,000 for the Spider. But remember, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of automotive history. The 2024 Ferrari SF90 XX is a car for those who demand the very best. It's a statement piece, a testament to human engineering prowess, and a driving experience that will leave you breathless. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, consider yourself part of an exclusive club of those who appreciate the pinnacle of automotive luxury and performance. I hope this video has been very helpful for you. So guys, please don't forget subscribe this channel for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching this video.